Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Check out this soap dispenser. I absolutely love it. I want to tell you all about it. This automatic soap dispenser just makes my world a happier place to live in. First of all, I love the way it looks. It's absolutely beautiful. It hangs on my wall. It was so easy to hang there. It came with everything you needed. It's just a little sticker that sticks to your wall, and then you simply put it on there. It was so easy to use. I love that you can adjust the amount of soap that you need. It has 5 different settings to go from just a little bit amount to a lot depending on what your preference is. So that was a real nice feature. I also want to talk about how it charges. So this is run on rechargeable batteries, and I've had this for about a month now, and I have not had to recharge it at all. It was fantastic. I love that you can see how much soap is in there. It's very easy to turn on and off. It's very easy to fill and refill. Like I said, I've had it for about a month. I haven't had to refill it, and I haven't had to charge it yet. This thing just makes life easier. It comes with everything you need to hang it on the wall, and also to charge it. It comes with the cable. Comes in different colors. I got black to match my kitchen. So this soap dispenser is amazing. It does everything that I needed it to do, and it hangs on the wall. What else could you ask for? But that's just my point of view.